Good morning, my YouTubers. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, for this new update at that garage. And today is May 23rd, 2023, and it's about like 6:30 in the morning. Yeah. And right now, and then today it's going to be like in the low mid 70s. Yeah. Summer's around the corner about like in 4 more weeks. We're still in the, we made it to the third lake of spring. And you know, this is soon, it's going to be the first 5 months we ever did this video of the construction right over there. I just caught this by accident just now. I didn't expect it. I just woke up. And you know, yesterday I forgot to tell you, the reason why they were just tearing down the green stuff, well, it was just actually weeds or something like that. It'll just grow back eventually when we get some more rain or something. Sorry about that. Passing gas. Let's hope this summer is going to be better than like last summer. Last summer was very hot every day, you know. And also during the summer of last year, we did this video at the site when they're tearing down some trees. How dare they do that? I haven't. Yeah, that's why it's all put into like the YouTube video album. It's a good thing I was there yesterday early before they did the construction. Sitting down over there or looking at the view. I've been doing this for weeks and months. Now we gotta know what's in the truck or something. And they got rid of that, the bulldozer yesterday. Cold in the morning, warms up in the afternoon. Well, there you have it, folks. A little update of the, hold on. We want to know what's in the truck. Look at all those the cleaning tools or something, like brooms and such. Well, there you have it, folks. A little update about this work site over there. And please comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video or the previous videos. We'll see you again next time when I give you more updates. Until then, your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, signing off for this morning, and I'll see you later. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of this site.